Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. Hit the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie.
Hey smoothie lovers, welcome back to Blends by Tweetie, where we blend with purpose, sip with intention, and glow from the inside out. Today we are making something so light, so refreshing, and so clean. My Cucumber Mint Hydrator. It's just 70 calories, but trust me, it feels like you're sipping on pure spa luxury. Let's get started. First, we are using mint leaves. Just 5 fresh mint leaves are enough to give this drink that cool, crisp, uplifting flavor. It can also help with digestion and leave your mouth feeling fresh. Next, we're adding half a green apple. This little touch gives our smoothie a hint of sweetness and a refreshing tartness, making it taste bright and lively without overpowering the cucumber. We're using half a cucumber. If you're not using organic, make sure to peel it first. This helps remove any wax coating or pesticide residue. Cucumber are naturally hydrating, made up of over 90% water. So they're amazing for cooling down your body and keeping your skin looking fresh. We're also squeezing in the juice of half a lime. This adds that citrusy zinc that ties all the flavors together, plus a little boost of vitamin C for your immune system. Then we'll add 1 cup of cold water and a handful of ice. This not only chills the drink but also makes it even more hydrating and energizing. Blend until smooth. Once blended, here's an optional step I love: straining. If you want a super light silky texture, pour the smoothie through a fine mesh strainer or nut milk bag into your glass. It's totally up to you, but I love how smooth and spa-like it feels when strained. And now the taste test. Imagine stepping into a luxury spa. Crisp cucumber, cooling mint, that hint of lime brightness, and the gentle sweetness of green apple all dancing together. It's not heavy, not overly sweet, just clean, refreshing, and revitalizing. This smoothie is perfect for hot days, after a workout, or any time you need to rehydrate, reduce bloating, or simply reset your body. At just 70 calories, it's the perfect guilt-free pick-me-up. So give this Cucumber Mint Hydrator a try, and if you do, let me know in the comments how you feel after your first sip. Follow for more daily smoothie recipes that heal, energize, and help you glow from the inside out. Cheers to your health!
I got you. Yes.